Can Excel be converted to Word? Yes, you can easily convert an Excel spreadsheet to a Word document. Here are a few methods to accomplish this. 1. Copy and paste. Open your Excel spreadsheet. Select the data you want to convert. Right-click and choose Copy. Open a new Word document. Right-click and choose Paste. This method is straightforward but might not retain the original formatting or layout perfectly, especially for complex spreadsheets. 2. Save as. Open your Excel spreadsheet. Go to File, Save As. In the Save As type drop-down, select Word document.docx. Choose a location and save your file. This method preserves the formatting and layout of your Excel spreadsheet, but might not be ideal if you need to make significant changes to the text or layout in Word. 3. Using a conversion tool. There are many online and offline tools that can convert Excel to Word. Choosing the right method depends on your specific needs and preferences.